Why does America have military bases all over the world? It's because they smashed that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm, please. It's because this is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. Uh, it's because America is the world reserve currency. So when you have the world reserve currency, you have to do military maintenance to uphold and make sure that the currency is used and accepted. And all of these, America's not like raging around Earth like an apex predator, like trampling countries and conquering things like some of the empires in the past. But America is doing military operations all over the place. And that's what that is about. It is just the currency and maintaining the currency and making sure that it's accepted. As the currency spreads, you basically have to tax people because it costs money to uphold the currency, and those taxes start increasing. And in the case of a fiat currency like America has right now, you collect those taxes usually via inflation rather than physically collecting taxes. But when you have a fiat currency, you can do either one. You can collect taxes directly, or you can just print more money, which is what America has been doing. Um, so that is why America has bases all over the world, and it is just simply the maintenance of the reserve currency. That's it.